Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inshallah, I'm going to start a new batch or new program, which is the same the one that we used before, which is called the Bureau of Somali Language. But these lessons are specially prepared or are intended for Somali non-speakers who are interested to learn Somali language. So this is kind of private lessons for those who are interested to learn Somali language, and Somali language is not their mother tongue, or it's not their native language. So today, before I start the first lesson, which is about Somali alphabetic letters, I wanted just to make a clear cut, because the reason, I want to answer the question which says why. Let me ask myself and answer the question to myself, why I named this program the Beauty of Somali Language. Why just I personalize it? Why did I make personification and give the word beauty, which most of the time to describe or to tell something about a person or place or something like that? Why did I give this to Somali? Okay, so there is several reasons that I give the name the Beauty of Somali Language. But I want to take only three main important reasons that I name it the Beauty of Somali Language. The first of all, Somali language is the only language, as far as I know, which is written as it's spoken, or as it is pronounced. Again, number one, Somali language is the only language, as far as I know, based on my experience, it's the only language which is written as it's spoken, which means there is no extra letter or there is no missing letters, except as you pronounce it is written. That's number one. Number two, Somali language, we can say it's one of the richest languages in East African countries, and also it's called of-state languages because it's a language which is spoken at least 4 countries in Africa. The third point is, which the third one needs to be an understanding deeply for the Somali grammar. How it's composed is very, very good, perfect, and its base is very beautiful. And also when you go to the literature, Suganta of Soomaaliga, the literature, it's kind of very beautiful. When I understand overstatement, understatement, okay, figuratives, okay. So when you go deeply understanding for Somali literature, you see and you will understand how it is very pure. So just I want to stop only these 3 points that I took as an example why I named it the Beauty of Somali Language. So our first lesson today for non-speakers is about, as I mentioned it before, is about alphabet Somali language. So in general, in Somali language we have 31 letters as a letter and 1 hakat. Hakat means comma. So this comma or this hakat separates sometimes 2 vowels or 2 consonants in order to declare or to describe the exact meaning of the word. So in general we have 31 letters. So these 31 letters are divided. 21 of them are consonant. And the word consonant, we know in English is consonant, but in Somali we say shibane. So 21 of these 31 are called consonant or shibane in Somali language. and 10 of them are called vowels, which means in Somali shakal. So these 10 vowels are divided into 5 long vowels and 5 short vowels. So the long vowel in Somali you can say shakal der, and the short vowel in Somali you can say shakal gaban. So in general I think this is clear cut and everything is very understandable. So now what I wanted to come is just for what happened when we combine consonant and vowels. So as usually even in English language, when you combine a consonant and a vowel, it makes a sound or a voice, we call it syllable. So syllable starts as a combination of vowel and consonant. So this word syllable in Somali we say alan. So I think that will be enough to you. That will be enough to you for general understanding about the formation of Somali language letters and how they are divided. So now I want to start the first lesson. That means here I say Ashirka Kobat. That means Ashir, lesson, Kobat 1, or the first. So it's about only the consonant Shibene. So what I'm doing is here, just I will read the letter and just I will give you a gap, which means that you can repeat after me. So let's start now. Ba, ta, ja, ha. This word in English we know it's X, but in Somali we say ha, ha, ha. Ka, ka, ka. So ka, it's like K and H, you say ka. Da, ra, sa, sha, da. So when you combine D and H, it's da, 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 a. So this, we know in English is C, but in Somali it works like a, a. So if you speak Arabic, it's very easy to you. It's like Anab, Abdi, Abdul Qadir. So it's the first word, it's like a. But in English it's very difficult if you are English speaker. So maybe it looks like it's nearly to a. Ga, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. So let's repeat again. Ba, ta, ja, ha, qa, da, ra, sa, sha, da, a, ga, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. So here is ha, and here is qa, and this is da, and this is a. So I think these are the things that you cannot exist in English language. So so you have to make sure. So this is ha, this is qa. So this, when you say qa, qa, like cut, cut, and this is similar is qalin, qalin. So this is very stressed, cut, qa, and this is qalin. So there's no stress. So it just seems very simplified. So I want to go to the next lesson, which is about the same about the first lesson. We talked about the vowel, the consonants. Now I want to talk about the vowels. Okay, so so here we have the short vowels. So I mentioned it before, as you remember, we have 10 vowels, 5 long vowels and 5 short vowels. So now I'm going to read, okay, please, and I will give you a chance just a little time that you can repeat after me. A, E, I, O, O. Let's repeat again. A, E, I, O, O. So that is the 5 shorted vowels. Okay, so let's go to the long vowels. A, E, I, O, U. One more time. A, E, I, O, U. So just in conclusion, I want to add something about the foundation of syllable. The means it's a combination with consonant and a vowel, like this way. So it goes like ba, be, bi, bo, bu. That's a short vowel. So the long vowel will be ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Another example is ta, ta, te, ti, to, tu. That's letter ta with short vowel. So let's go letter ta with the long vowels. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. So just I'm going to stop our lesson today in that point. So so please, just I need your feedback. Just please give me send me an email or visit my website. Okay, so just and give me feedback. So I need your feedback. By the way, your feedback is very important to me. If so, what I'm going to add in our program or just what I'm going to subtract. So by the way, all in all, just I'm waiting your feedback, and thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you.